This is not just a story. It is a whisper of patience, a cry of love, a name that time could never silence. This name is Hussain. When oppression raised its head, Hussain stood tall. When the world stayed silent, a prostration spoke louder than swords. The sand burned, but faith stayed cool. The blades shone, but hearts of truth did not bend. Hal min nasirin yansuruni. Is there anyone to help me? This was not a war of power. It was a test of faith. Karbala was not a battlefield. It was the altar of devotion. A mother gave, a sister carried the message, and a child changed history. And the earth whispered, "This is Hussain." Time passed, but Hussain remained. The dust faded, but his name glowed brighter. Wherever there is injustice, Hussain's voice rises. Wherever truth is silenced, Hussain stands. Every day is Ashura. Every land is Karbala. Hussain did not change the world. He gave the world meaning. He did not teach how to die. He showed how to live. The head raised on a spear still commands hearts today. The blood that fell on the sand still flows as a prayer in every believer. Peace be upon you, O Hussain. Peace be upon your patience, your courage, your eternal stand for truth. Time may stop, but Hussain lives on. Hearts may fall silent, but his message breathes in every soul. Hussain, forever.